This video explains the Integrations General Education curriculum for the CSB+SJU classes that entered in the fall of 2020 through the spring of 2022. The Integrations curriculum is structured around 4 key areas: connected learning across fields, core marketable skills, purposeful learning through exposure to multiple perspectives, and engaged learning beyond the classroom. So let's get into what all of this means and how you might lay this out in a 4-year plan. You likely already took your 1-credit college success course, your Learning Foundations or Learning Explorations course, and likely your Cultural and Social Difference Identity course. You can take either of those courses in your fall or your spring of your first year. You might also start the Global Language sequence at this time, needing to reach at least the 211 level in your chosen language. While this can be completed at any point over your 4 years, many students will begin this in their first year. Finally, you will take the first of 2 theology courses, Theological Explorations, at some point in your first 3 semesters. Let's put it here for now. At the center of the Integrations curriculum is an intentional journey through the liberal arts and sciences. You will take at least 4 credits, or the equivalent of 1 course, in 5 different ways of thinking, which expose you to the way different disciplines study and understand the world. These courses may be taken as standalone courses and/or count towards your major or minor. You can only take 2 way of thinking courses in a single department. You will take courses in abstract structures, artistic expression, in the human experience, in the natural world, and in the social world. Along the way, you will integrate your learning by taking courses in particular themes. The minimum requirement is that you need to take at least 3 courses in 1 theme in at least 2 different departments. Your themed courses might focus on justice, movement, or truth. You will take 1 thematic focus course at a 200 or 300 level, and 2 additional themed courses which can be taken at any level and in any department. For most of you, your themed courses will either be courses with a way of thinking or be courses in your major or minor. So let's see what this might look like on your 4-year plan. You can take your way of thinking and themed courses at any point in your 4 years. You just need to complete your themed courses before you take your Learning Integrations course, but more on that in a second. You might space out your way of thinking courses and take 1 each semester, taking courses in your theme along the way. In this example, a student taking courses in the truth theme can find courses in the truth theme in a lot of places, both in general education courses and in major or minor courses. Another scenario shows that you might take some of your way of thinking and themed courses as standalone courses, but others in your major or minor. Now we can begin to fill in more spots, and you will see that while the minimum requirement is 3 themed courses, between your way of thinking courses and your courses in a typical 40-credit major, you will actually take many themed courses, potentially even in more than 1 theme. Now let's fill in the remaining elements. At some point along the way, either on campus or when you go abroad, you will take the Cultural and Social Difference Systems course, in which you will learn that the forms of identity that you learned about in your CSD Identity course raise questions of justice and are dynamically connected to systems of power. You will take this at some point in your 2nd, 3rd, or 4th year. You will also take the 2nd course in the Theology sequence, Theological Integrations. You might take this in your 2nd year, but will probably take it in your 3rd or 4th year. Let's just plug these in here for now. At some point, most likely in your major or minor, or in a course with another designation, you will take a quantitative reasoning course, which teaches you how to make sense of numerical information. Along the way, again, most likely in courses you are taking for other reasons, in experiences like study abroad, or outside the classroom, like doing internships or attending fine arts events, you will satisfy an experiential engagement and an artistic engagement. Future students will also take courses with a global engagement and a Benedictine Raven, but those requirements have been waived for your class as they are still being developed. Finally, your integrated learning experience is bookended, starting with the Learning Foundations course you took your first year and ending with a general education capstone course called Learning Integrations. This course can be taken in your third year, but will likely be taken in your fourth year, after you have taken your 3 same-themed courses, your Theological Integrations course, and have satisfied your engagements. This course will refine writing and speaking skills and help you integrate and transfer your learning across your college experience. Please talk to your faculty advisor or academic advising to design a pathway that makes sense for you and your goals. Keep in mind that many integrations curriculum courses can also be taken when you study abroad. We can now fill in the rest of your course slots with electives, minor courses, or courses in a second major. If you would like to know which courses you have already taken that satisfy the integrations curriculum and which courses you still need to take, you can check this on DegreeWorks. When a requirement is satisfied, there will be a green check mark. If you are working on a requirement, a half blue circle, and if you still need to complete a requirement, an empty red circle. Keep in mind that you only need to fill the requirements for one of the themes. Throughout your courses in the integrations curriculum, you will be contributing to an integrated portfolio, which will help you curate a comprehensive and holistic collection of your learning. The portfolio is also fully portable, so that you can showcase your accomplishments for your prospective employers if you so choose. Make sure that you talk to your faculty advisor, the Office of Academic Advising, the registrar, or one of your trusted professors for guidance as we all navigate this innovative and new general education curriculum.